Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect a Tuya smart device to Wi-Fi using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Before adding the device, connect to iPhone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Turn on Bluetooth. Tuya device usually do not work with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Plug in or turn on the Tuya device. Now reset it. Hold the power button or reset button for 5 to 10 seconds or turn the device off and on. Wait until the light blinks rapidly. This means the device is ready to connect. Open the Tuya app, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap Add a device. Choose Auto Scan or select the device type manually. When off, select Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password and then tap Next. The app will now connect the device to Wi-Fi. Keep your phone close to the device. When setup is complete, tap Done. And that's it. You have successfully connected a Tuya smart device to Wi-Fi using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.